Hello guys, pakita ko sa inyo guys paano mag-refill ng tubig sa baterya. Ito guys, to 1/4 yata naman guys. Yan yung level guys, yan yung level na guys. Yan, hanggang dyan lang guys. Battery solution, puro to guys battery solution. Yan. Ang laman sa guys, isang butas, 2 litro, mga 200 ml yata guys. Ang lalagay nyo, ang laman yun guys. Lagyan yun guys. Ang 2.2 liters yung nito guys, yung laman bawat butas. Isa guys, dalawang litro yan guys, konti na lang guys. Yung itim nyo guys, yan yung guys, level nya guys, hanggang dyan lang yung tubig guys, hindi mo na yung papawin. Yan, yan guys, nakita nyo, level lang yung tubig guys. Lalapat lang yung dulo ng guys, yung itim na yung guys, dyan lang. Yun lang guys, thank you. Yan lang yung pag-refill guys. Kailangan ito guys, puro battery solution yan guys. Yan, puro yan guys, battery solution. Isasalin dito kasi bagong baterya to, 4D to light. 10,000 pala to guys. Yan lang guys, thank you.